this is Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a tutorial on how to make perforated edges for tickets. So here's an example right here. So I start by making a piece of paper about an inch or so wide. So you can use a lot of scrap paper for this. And then I just take my hole punch, and as you see, I already did this side. So I'm just gonna punch this side, and then I kind of try to line up each hole. So I kind of eyeball it from wherever my last hole was. If you're a perfectionist, then I guess you could measure and do all sorts of stuff like that, but that's a little extra for me. It's not that deep. All right, so I did that. So then all you have to do is take your paper. It's kind of a glare because the paper is shiny. You're gonna line it up with the line right here. So I just want to drop my foot in between my first hole that I made with my hole punch. Then I'm gonna use the hand crank and crank down my first hole. And I'll lift it up, make my first hole, and then I'm just gonna hit my go button. And then you can go at whatever speed you'd like. I'm just gonna let it go whatever speed this is, pretty slow. And then when it gets to the end, you wanna stop it and then pull it out. Make sure your needle is up. Pull it out, and there's your perforated edge for your ticket. I'll do one more for you. So again, line it up, drop your foot. I didn't line it up that good. Okay, line it up, drop your foot, put your first hole in right there. And you don't even have to use your presser foot if you don't want. Go ahead and just press go. And then stop it. Take your paper out, and there's your perforated edges for your tickets. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and stay tuned for my next tutorial on how I decorate them. Thanks, bye.